We're here with Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins, and we have beautiful weather now, really enjoying it. Looking ahead, though, to Thursday, we have to make sure that we're ready for the rain.
Showers and storms Thursday. I do think we'll get a couple thunderstorms. Not thinking severe weather at this point, but you know how it is. We could, I mean, last round of storms, we had 4 to 6 inches of rainfall.
I know, it was great.
Yeah, it was.
It was great. I told you, I said, what is that noise outside?
Yeah, I know.
I didn't remember what the rain
The drought is real.
Yeah, it's real.
The drought is real for sure. Take a look at the map right now. You can see coverage is expected to be actually pretty good on Thursday afternoon. And you see some of the yellows here. That's indicating some of the heavier rainfall amounts. This spot in northern Pinellas, remember, it's this swath right in here that saw 4 to 6 inches of rain. Really, the last time that we saw the rain. So another day of that, I've got about a 60% chance for that. May add a 10% for the early morning hours of Friday morning. But that's our weather impact alert. Here's what it looks like. This is Thursday afternoon around 5:30 in the afternoon. This time it's going to change a little bit, but you can see the evening commute. Yeah, could have some pretty good storms with it and showers, of course. Hence the reason why we have our weather impact alert. But watch as we go through about 7:30. Still some heavier rainfall shifting a little bit further to the south, Manatee County, southeastern Hillsborough. Then by about 10:30, the rain will be out of here. All right. Again, the timing is going to change a little bit, but that's the best chance at this point to see some rain. Some of these clouds, you see, these are real high clouds here. They're actually going to keep trekking across the Gulf, and they'll be in here by tomorrow afternoon. I think we stay dry, but we will see some of those high clouds thicken up. And then the front driving all this is way up here to the north. This is Thursday morning, and we'll see a stray shower around, especially up north. But watch as we go through Thursday afternoon. Look at all that moisture up and down the west coast of Florida. A couple good storms in there, as I mentioned, but that is what we need with the drought that's going on. The front itself will come through, I think, early on Friday morning. This is around 5 a.m. The front's just getting here and then pushes through during the day on Friday. Not the coldest air back behind it. In fact, I think highs are going to be upper 70s near 80. Behind it will go lower to mid 70s. Severe weather look. This is for today. Not much going on. This is for tomorrow. This is for Thursday. Watch this. They don't even have us for thunderstorms. I think that will change because we'll get 1 or 2 thunderstorms. But the severe weather threat is going to be up north, and it doesn't even look huge. We always watch the storms that come through here because sometimes you get water spouts, those types of things. So we'll keep an eye on it for you. But it's more inconvenient for Thursday afternoon than anything else. There's the cold air moving away now. Second shot of cold air comes in behind that. That's Friday, right? But look how far to the north it is. So we don't get as cold as what we just saw. All right, and then that lifts up. They get another one. This is like 2 or 3 clipper systems for our friends up to the north and the east through the 22nd of December. That's Monday. And then after that, look at this ridge build over the central and western United States, and then it shifts eastward. Guys, that is very warm air. 15 to 30, 35 degrees above average from spots across the central U.S. for Christmas. That's the 25th right there. Look at all the cold airs up into Canada. So big time change is coming. And in fact, if you look at the next 7 days, we're going to be upper 70s to near 80 next couple of days, just slipping a little bit into the mid 70s with the front behind it. And look at Santa over there. Upper 70s to near 80 degrees. 73 is average for this time of the year. So we're not that far off, but through the 26th, look at this. Look how much of the country will be not only above average, but well above average. The Northeast just kind of hanging on to some of that cold air. So here we go. Let's get into your forecast. So right now, I mean, it's gorgeous. Look at that sun setting out there. 72 degrees. It felt so good this afternoon. It was cold this morning, but it felt great this afternoon. 68 in Crystal River. Clearwater's at 66. 73 in Sarasota. Lakeland checking in with 70 degrees. There's the forecast for tonight. Dry all the way through. Tomorrow we will be mild. We're going to wake up. Temperatures in the upper 50s. We'll go to the upper 70s for highs for tomorrow. And then, yeah, Thursday afternoon's our best chance for those showers and storms, but it's not that cold behind it. By the way, good looking weekend ahead. And of course, the first day of winter in Florida, 79 degrees.